Okay friends, welcome back. In this session we are going to discuss about function overloading. Before saying this program, we are going to know about function overloading. Function overloading is just nothing but having a same name for different functions. Okay, you are just thinking that why it's same name with the functions, but how main may recognize that different functions and perform the operations which we are required. For that, there is an option specified by the C++ concept, that is that difference in the parameters or their data types. By calling from the main, we need to differ that by using an data type or a parameter difference, so that it recognizes the necessary operations which we required and performs the particular operation. So now we have known about the function overloading program or a topic. Now we are going to see just a small simple function overloading program. Stream, and instead of .h, my compiler accepts only std. Some compilers will accept .h extension instead of namespace std, but my compiler I am using dev C++, so that my compiler does not accept .h extension. Instead of that, it standards which we specified in this compiler is to using namespace std. Now I am going to write the overloading functions. As I said you that first functions must be of same name, so I am going to show a simple program and I am going to call it as show. The data type which I am going to show you is of type int and a val variable. Next, just I am going to print the integer value. And I am going to print the integer value and display on the screen. And to go to next line, as you all know that we need to use NL, and as I specified here, int, so that I need to return a value, and the value I am going to return is val, which is val. Okay. Next, as it is a overloading, and now I am going to say just function overloading, and there are different types of overloadings, but now I am going to just show you function overloading. So as it is function overloading, I am declaring same name show. In this you can watch that I am going to give same name for this function and for the function which I am going to write now. But the major difference and the major part of the program comes here. We need to show the difference is double. I am declaring this data type as double, and I am passing the same variable val, and I am going to display it on the screen to show you clearly how it is going to work. Double, the value which we are going to print is val. If you are interested, you can go with void also. I am just going with the int, so that I need a return statement. If you are going with the void, there is no need of declaring the return statement down. And next, void, to be very clear that I have said you that there must be difference in their parameters or data types. Now you have seen difference in the data types. Now I am going to show you the difference in the parameters which we are going to pass. Show of int val comma int b. I'm just declaring it as example. Now I'm going to print the both the values. So to show you difference, the values which are going to print on the output screen, I'm going to give it the name as integer 2 values, means that it consists of 2 values of type int. So in order to print this, we are going to print 2 values. One is val, another one is b. Okay, now I'm going to return. The value which I am going to return is wait. Now I am going to return 2 values, val comma b, and above I have specified return 0, means that it does not return any value, but I need to return a value as val. Okay, I specified here as void. Let me change it to int, because my compiler does not accepts the void. And now coming to the main program, it is not the matter of it works with only the data type of integer double. It works with the data types as a string, short, unsigned long, and signed long integers. So that just to show you an example, I am going to declare just double and int. Now I am going to write the main. Next, the method which we have specified is show, and I am not going to enter the values by cout and cin statements. Directly I am going to pass the parameters. The value which I am going to pass for integer which we have declared above is 532. Next, show double. It means that we can give 600, not just as 600. The limit of double is occupying 8 bits, so that it can take more than integer data type, and the range of it is doubles than the integer data type. So that next, to show you the parameterized difference, 2 variables values I need to pass. I am going to pass 12 comma 13, and I am going to print a small statement. This is function overloading. Okay, next I am going to return 0. Okay, our main program logic is completed. Now I am going to save this. As fun over. So let me check it by compiling or yeah, it's showing an error at this spot. It means that I have forgot to keep a semicolon. Okay, I'm going to compile it once again. Okay, my program is just compiled, and my program efficiency is 3.725 seconds. It is of time complexity we can specify, and the space complexity occupied by my program is 1.832. As you are seeing here, it is of MB. It's taking 1.832 approximately in MBs. So that now I am going to show you the output. Yeah, it's displaying the output. See here, 12, 13, 532, 600. So I have written in the statement it is a double, so that it is printing an integer. So let me change and check it out once again. See, okay, let me execute once again. Okay, as you seen here this is function overloading. It is going to be printed at the last, which we have declared in the main, and rest of these parts are declared in the sub functions. And by declaring the values and the data types and the differentiation in the data types which we have shown, so the compiler is going to identify which is the method or function I am going to retrieve or going to perform the operation. So that for this, today our session has completed. Thank you.